to be or not to be. Be verbs are used as main verbs as well as auxiliary verbs. In the sentences listed below, be verbs function as main verbs. Practice. Read the sentences aloud and practice.
I am a doctor now. Last year I was a student. In a few years I shall be a senior doctor. We Indians are peace-loving people. Our cricketers were sad when they lost the final match. They will surely be winners next time. David, you are a good boy now. Why were you absent yesterday? Children, you will be at home tomorrow. Indian soldiers are very brave.
Gandhiji and his friends were great patriots. There will be more flyovers in Chennai soon. Geeta is in +1 class now. She was in 10th standard last year. She'll be in college after 2 years. Robert is a tennis player. He was not a player 2 years ago. He will be a state player in 3 years. Petrol is expensive now. It was cheap a few years ago. It will be very expensive next year.
Sentences for practice using this, that, these, those, is, or. The words this, that, these, and those are used for demonstration. These words function as demonstrative adjectives. For example, this apple. Or demonstrative pronouns. For example, this is an apple. The phrases and sentences given below contain such words. Sentences and phrases for practice.
This apple. That apple. These apples. Those apples. This is an apple. These are apples.
This ball. That ball. These balls. Those balls. This is a ball. These are balls.
This cat. That cat. These cats. Those cats. This is a cat. These are cats.
This dog. That dog. These dogs. Those dogs. This is a dog. These are dogs.
This engine. That engine. These engines. Those engines. This is an engine. These are engines.
This fan. That fan. These fans. Those fans. This is a fan. These are fans.
This girl. That girl. These girls. Those girls. This is a girl. These are girls.
This hat. That hat. These hats. Those hats. This is a hat. These are hats.
This inn. That inn. These inns. Those inns. This is an inn. These are inns.
This jug. that jug. These jugs, those jugs. This is a jug. These are jugs.
This kit, that kit. These kits, those kits. This is a kit. These are kits.
This language, that language. These languages, those languages. This is a language. These are languages.
This man, that man. These men, those men. This is a man. These are men.
This nib, that nib. These nibs, those nibs. This is a nib. These are nibs.
This orange, that orange. These oranges, those oranges. This is an orange. These are oranges.
This picture, that picture. These pictures, those pictures. This is a picture. These are pictures.
This queen, that queen. These queens, those queens. This is a queen. These are queens.
This rat, that rat. These rats, those rats. This is a rat. These are rats.
This snail, that snail. These snails, those snails. This is a snail. These are snails.
This table, that table. These tables, those tables. This is a table. These are tables.
This umbrella, that umbrella. These umbrellas, those umbrellas. This is an umbrella. These are umbrellas.
This van, that van. These vans, those vans. This is a van. These are vans.
This watch, that watch. These watches, those watches. This is a watch. These are watches.
This xylophone, that xylophone. These xylophones, those xylophones.